friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Dr. Harley Sawyer from Poppy Playtime 4. So first we're going to get started with the eye in the center, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big curved line, arching that up in the middle. Closing off the bottom of the eye now, we're going to draw in another arch line, curving this around and then back up on the right. Moving up in towards the center again, let's replicate that one more time, drawing in another arch line, just making that smaller. And then now in the center of our eye, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. Now let's draw in the TV head. So coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. We're going to start back on the top, curving this line up and over, bringing that across on the right. And then again, moving underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right again. Now let's move out and draw in the perimeter. So we're going to come up, moving slightly higher, curving that line down. And then we're going to come across on the right and replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in another arch line. And then again, we'll do the same thing on the bottom. Let's draw in the neck, so we're going to draw in a small curved line in the center. And then in the middle of that, we're just going to draw in two straight lines that come up towards the bottom of our head. Now let's come across on both sides, arching this line down. And then from that point, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. Again, from that point, bringing this line down and then back across. Again, moving across, we're going to bring this line back down and then in. Again, moving down and then back up. And then again, drawing in the letter V. Closing off the body now, we're going to curve this line down on both sides for the coat. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down towards the bottom. Now we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards the center. And then we're just going to continue this as we come across on the right. Now on the top right, we're going to draw in a circle for the button. We're going to move across on the left. Again, coming down on the right. Moving over on the left. Now let's draw on the arms. So coming over on both sides, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. Again, from that point, bringing this line down and then across. And then replicating that. Now let's draw on our hands. So on both sides, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out. And then we'll close that off with a curved line from left to right. Now moving over on the outside, we're going to arch this line down again for the hand. And now again on the bottom, drawing in another curved line from left to right. Now we're going to draw in three arch lines as we come across. Now let's draw on the fingers. So on the inside, on the right, we're going to bring this line down and then out. Let's move across on the left, replicating that, just bringing that in the opposite direction. We'll curve this line up. And then again, we're going to bring this line across and then back in. Let's move over into the middle now, bringing this line down and then across. We're going to curve this line over. And then we'll bring this line out and then back up in the center. Let's again move across, bringing this line out and then down with a finger. We're going to curve this line out. Now from here, we're going to bring this line back up and then over towards the top of our hand. And then in each portion where our finger bends, we're just going to draw in a curved line as we come across. Now let's move down for the feet. So on the left-hand side, curving this line down, replicating that on the right, ending that at the same height. Now on the bottom, curving this line across. We're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. Again on the top, curving this line out. Now from that point, curving this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line. Let's move out and towards the middle, curving that line up on the top. We're going to curve that line back down towards the bottom. Again, as you move across, bringing that line out and then down. And then in the center, just drawing in a small curved line. Now moving across again, we're going to curve this line out. Curving this line down. We're going to come across again, bringing this line out and then in. And then again, closing this off with a curved line. And then as we move up for the top of the foot, we're going to curve that in. Now as we come in towards the corner, we're just going to curve this line up. And then on the bottom, just again, continuing to curve that line out. And that is it. That's how you draw Dr. Harley Sawyer. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.